Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency and exploring the risks that come along with it. While digital currencies have gained popularity and have the potential for significant rewards, it's essential to be aware of the potential risks involved. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual form of currency that utilizes cryptography for security and operates on a decentralized network known as a blockchain. Unlike traditional fiat currencies issued and regulated by central banks, cryptocurrencies are typically not controlled by any central authority. They rely on cryptographic algorithms to secure transactions, control the creation of new units, and verify the transfer of assets. The core concept behind cryptocurrencies is to provide a peer-to-peer digital payment system that enables secure, transparent, and efficient transactions. Cryptocurrencies leverage blockchain technology, which is a distributed ledger that records all transactions across multiple computers or nodes. This decentralized nature of the blockchain ensures that no single entity has complete control over the network, making it resistant to censorship and manipulation. Cryptocurrencies gained popularity with the introduction of Bitcoin in 2009, and since then, numerous other cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins, have emerged. Each cryptocurrency typically has its own unique features, use cases, and underlying technology. While some cryptocurrencies aim to serve as digital currencies for everyday transactions, others focus on specific applications such as smart contracts or decentralized finance. Overall, cryptocurrencies have revolutionized the way we perceive and engage in financial transactions, offering potential benefits like faster cross-border transfers, lower fees, and increased financial inclusivity. One of the significant risks associated with cryptocurrencies is their volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can fluctuate wildly within a short period, which can lead to substantial gains or losses. This volatility can be attributed to various factors such as market sentiment, regulatory developments, and even media attention. Investors must be prepared for these price swings and understand that their investments could lose value rapidly. Another important risk factor is the lack of regulatory oversight in the cryptocurrency space. Unlike traditional financial markets, cryptocurrencies operate in a relatively unregulated environment. While this provides certain advantages like decentralized control and privacy, it also exposes investors to potential scams, fraudulent schemes, and market manipulation. It's crucial to do thorough research and exercise caution when investing in cryptocurrencies, as there are no safety nets or governing bodies to protect your investments. Security is a critical concern when it comes to cryptocurrencies. Since digital currencies exist solely in the digital realm, they are susceptible to hacking attempts and cybersecurity threats. Individuals and even large cryptocurrency exchanges have fallen victim to hacking incidents, resulting in the loss of millions of dollars. It's vital to take necessary precautions to protect your digital assets, such as using secure wallets and employing strong passwords. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. One common risk that many individuals face is investing in something they don't fully understand. Cryptocurrencies can be complex, and their underlying technology, blockchain, can be challenging to grasp for newcomers. Lack of knowledge and understanding can lead to poor investment decisions or falling victim to scams. It's essential to educate yourself about cryptocurrencies, their benefits, limitations, and potential risks before jumping into the market. The landscape of cryptocurrency regulations is continuously evolving. Governments around the world are still grappling with how to regulate cryptocurrencies effectively. Regulatory changes can have a significant impact on the value and accessibility of cryptocurrencies. Investors must stay updated with the latest developments and be prepared for potential regulatory shifts that may affect their investments. While cryptocurrencies offer exciting opportunities, it's crucial to understand and manage the associated risks. Volatility, lack of regulation, security concerns, lack of understanding, and regulatory changes are just a few examples of the risks involved in the cryptocurrency space. By educating yourself, staying informed, and being cautious, you can navigate this digital landscape more effectively and make informed investment decisions. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more insights into the world of finance and technology. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. Stay safe and happy investing.